coronavirus, which causes COVID-19, originated from city of Wuhan in China. COVID-19 symptoms are sore throat, headaches, fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, fatigue. How much time corona will take to get inside you, to make corona positive? A guy standing in front of you. He sneeze and you breath. He sneezed bunch of corona infection droplets. And you welcome them. In your throat hundred of cells get locked into receptor to make you corona positive. Now, the question is, coronavirus is pandemic for real? Let's see. This guy is corona positive. Don't know about it at all. And he is asking pharmacist for normal flu medicine. Let's see how he becomes virus spreader for its people. This small clip shows clearly what pandemic situation is. So, is there any vaccine for this virus? For now, there is no cure. But scientists are working on antibody cells taken from those that have recovered from this virus. Who needs medical attention? And what are the symptoms of corona possibly? Difficulty breathing, chest pain, coughing, fever and chills, confusion, headache, muscle pain, fatigue. There are minimum 6 basic steps everyone should take to prevent corona COVID-19. Wash your hands often. Put distance between yourself and others. Avoid close contact with sick people, especially sneezers. Stay at home, if you are sick or healthy. Cover cough and sneezes. Only wear N95 face mask, if you are sick or caring for someone who is sick. Keep clean and disinfect surfaces. If you are sick from last few days and having COVID-19 symptoms, then call your local medical assistants and follow their lead. Don't let this pandemic become mass disaster. Save people you love, yourself and this world. This is public service and awareness message by KnowledgeTijori.